Giggles and grapes.
Let's draw the object and color it. This is a rocket. This is a rocket. Looks like the rocket is about to get launched.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch.
Wow, this is Nini land. But where is Nini? Hi, Mr. Astronaut.
Hi, Juniors.
Are you here to meet Nini?
Yes, of course. I came all the way to deliver a special package to Nini.
There is Nini. Hi, Nini.
Hello, Juniors. Hello, Mr. Astronaut.
Nini Juniors have sent you love, and I am here to bring it for you.
I love you all too. Please take my love back to the kids.
Watch out!
The rocket is lost in the space. Can you help the astronaut? Can you see the rocket? If you can see the rocket, say rocket. There it is. Good job, guys. Now Mr. Astronaut can come back to our planet. Let's draw the object and color it. This is a house. This is a house. Hi, Tom. What are you up to?
I want to build my dream house. Look here, I drew it.
Wow, can we help you too? Let's say build till Tom's house gets completed. Say build. Now let's build the roof. Say build. Alright kids, now it's time for the window. Say build. How about a door too? Say build. There it is. Finally, Tom's dream have come true. Make yourself comfortable in there, Tom. Bye-bye. Let's draw the object and color it. This is a flower. This is a flower. We are in a living room. Can you see the flower anywhere here? Look closely. There it is. Let's place it at the right place before someone steps over mistakenly. How about placing it on the table? How about placing it on the rack? How about over a sofa? How about this vase? Yes, it looks great here. Let's draw the object and color it. This is an ice cream. I can't see the ice cream anywhere. Can you see it? Where can it be? Can it be in the cupboard? No, it will melt. Maybe we should find it in the oven? No, it will melt, sure. It must be in the fridge then. Yes, ice cream will melt in the fridge. Let me open it now. There it is. Yummy ice cream. Do you like ice cream too? Let's draw the object and color it. This is a butterfly. This is a butterfly. I enjoy seeing butterflies. Look, there is one too. Let's catch it. That was close. Here, finally we caught it. I just wanted to look it now. I will set it free. Bye bye butterfly. Fly freely. Let's draw the object and color it. This is a sun. This is a sun. Well, it's quite a cloudy day today. It can rain anytime. I wanted to go out. There it is raining. But I wanted to go out. Let's say, sunshine. Say it with me, sunshine. There it is. The sun is here. When sun shines bright, I can go out without any worries. Let's draw the object and color it. This is a bear. This is a bear. Hi, Mr. Bear.
Hello.
Looks like Mr. Bear is all dressed to enjoy his meal in the restaurant. Let's go inside. Where did Mr. Bear go? Can you see Mr. Bear? There he is. Mr. Bear loves fish. Is this fish? No, it's not. It's a roasted chicken. Is this fish? No, it's not. It's a beefsteak. Is this fish? Yes, it is. This is a fish. Yummy. Enjoy your meal, Mr. Bear. Let's draw another object now. Bye-bye, Mr. Bear. Let's draw the object and color it. This is a snowman. This is a snowman. Hi, Mr. Snowman. What are you up to?
I am lost and I don't know where I belong. Can you help me?
Will you help the snowman? There are 4 seasons. Summer. It's hot in summer. Ice melts easily. People wear light clothes and drink cold beverages. Winter. It's cold in winter. People wear layers of clothes to keep themselves warm. In some areas, snow falls too. Autumn. It's a dry season. All the leaves fall in autumn. Some change colors. It has its own beauty. Spring, season of a new beginning. New leaves grow and flowers bloom. A lot of flying insects are on the loose though, for that juicy nectar. Where does the snowman belongs to? It's winter. Look, there is snow everywhere. Hi, Genie, how are you?
I am solid as ice.
Now our snowman has a company too. so that he doesn't get lost again alone. Bye bye, stay cool.
Subscribe, like, don't forget to press the bell icon.